Hey, welcome back to Top 5 Trey. Today we're diving into the Powerbeats Pro 2, Beats' latest wireless earbuds designed with athletes and fitness enthusiasts in mind. With features like active noise cancellation, heart rate monitoring, and a secure fit, these earbuds aim to be the ultimate workout companion. But do they deliver on all fronts? Let's find out. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check them out if you're interested. The Powerbeats Pro 2 retained the signature over-ear hook design, ensuring a secure fit during intense workouts. The earbuds are now slimmer and more comfortable, with a 50% reduction in ear hook size, making them suitable for prolonged use. The inclusion of multiple ear tip sizes allows for a customizable fit, catering to various ear shapes and sizes. Equipped with Apple's H2 chip, the Powerbeats Pro 2 offer improved audio quality, delivering a balanced sound profile with punchy bass and clear mids. While they may not match the AirPods Pro 2 in terms of overall richness, the sound quality is commendable for workout earbuds. The active noise cancellation effectively reduces ambient noise, and the transparency mode allows for situational awareness during outdoor activities. One of the standout features is the built-in heart rate monitor, which integrates with popular fitness apps like Nike Run Club and Peloton. However, some users have reported inconsistencies in heart rate tracking, especially when compared to dedicated fitness devices. The earbuds support both iOS and Android platforms, with seamless connectivity and device switching for Apple users, thanks to the H2 chip. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge, with an additional 35 hours provided by the charging case. The case now supports wireless charging and is 33% smaller than its predecessor, making it more portable. A quick 5-minute charge yields approximately 1.5 hours of playback, ensuring you're never without music for long. In real-world use, the physical button controls are intuitive and responsive, even during vigorous activities. The secure fit ensures the earbuds stay in place, and the IPX4 rating provides sweat and water resistance. However, some users have noted that the active noise cancellation struggles in windy conditions, and the heart rate monitor's accuracy can be inconsistent. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely gonna be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.